Okay, so what we saw today was I'm testing out diversity reception at WWV, Fort Collins, Colorado. Steady signal coming through. We also got ham radio operators, CB operators, foreign country talking and other things and any other things going on, plus weird signals, which I didn't tape them today, but so we have 1 and 2 diversity receivers. These units we're on the DEW line actually, and we're a U.S. military and one of the best radios in the world actually that was built. It's R390 URR, American Navy, American military, and other places. Signal generation of gear, and for that kind of thing here to balance signals. This one is down to VLF range. These go to VLF if I add a certain signal. This is a directional finder, azimuth indicator goes with these guys. Checking on a line, sometimes you can find out these kind of weird things. This here actually is a unique signal generator I use for balancing circuits and that kind of thing and testing, as well as adding added tonalities. It's got a Tesla vibrator inside of it. I call it that. It's a mechanical vibrator, adjustable to any frequency. I did have one of these separate from outside of that, and it's an amazing device. It actually sold on eBay for $1,000. Surplus unit. So let's go over here. Somebody wanted to know by email what these are. These are VLF Navy receivers used on destroyers and battleships. 1950s, 60s, 70s, maybe in current use, as well as submarines, used in submarines. As you can see, it's built like a brick shithouse, weighs 300 pounds, and it's an amazing piece of engineering made by National Radio Company. Got the sticker here. I bought this off a collector in the early 90s, and I got an offer for $3,000 for somebody in Germany who's interested in it, but I don't know, we'll see. That was a while ago though. You know, people say things, they don't come through on things. This here is also the same, similar thing. It's a transceiver. Transmits and receives. It goes down to cycles per second and up to HF and all that cool stuff. It's a transmitting head here. That's a transmitter. This is the receiver. That's about 300 pounds too. Got that a long time ago from a pair of radio sales on Ohio, 1994. This is a Marine transceiver. Small fella compared to these guys. And that up here is part of a countermeasure system that's into the gigahertz range, which is kind of intriguing to operate and play with and test things with and hear weird signals as well. So it's got more down here, but I haven't got them running yet. I might sometime. I like to hook it up to this RTTY system here, punch tape. It'll operate. It's got the modem for it, which I just showed you. This is 3 minutes. Let's keeping it short. So all the stuff tests out good, and it seems I haven't tried it at nighttime yet, but that's going to be quite amazing because there's going to be a lot of activity. And I use my VLF antenna system here. Primitive but effective. This one and that one. It's an older version I have. I use that on one of the receivers. Works darn good. I hope to put these outside somewhere, maybe up in a tree somewhere. Got to train the ravens to grab it and fly with it. Positioned in a tree. Anyway, I'm going to cut it short now.